Scientists have made a breakthrough in designing a universal flu vaccine. This experimental mRNA vaccine, known as H1SSF, can potentially combat all strains of the virus. In the initial clinical trial, the flu vaccine successfully stimulated the participants' immune systems to generate cross-reactive antibodies. In other words, these antibodies were effective against numerous strains of influenza type A, one of the primary categories of the virus. Experts have called the findings promising, as the vaccine performed as desired in this early testing phase. However, it may take 5 to 10 more years of development before the vaccine is ready for real-world use. Seasonal flu claims an estimated 400,000 lives worldwide annually, with most victims being either elderly or very young. In the past decade, the number of annual deaths in the United States has ranged from approximately 12,000 to 52,000, depending on the severity of the disease caused by the main strain of that particular season. This changed during the COVID-19 pandemic, when lower flu mortality rates were observed due to measures such as social distancing. Researchers have been working on universal flu vaccines for over a decade, but this has been challenging. The flu is more complex than commonly believed. Similar to the virus responsible for COVID-19, the influenza virus undergoes rapid changes and mutations, giving rise to new variants. As a result, the flu vaccine needs to be updated every year to include the 4 strains predicted to dominate the upcoming season. Vaccine manufacturers must also keep pace by updating the flu shot annually. When a new flu variant is identified, it takes approximately 6 months for manufacturers to update the vaccine, during which time the virus can mutate again. This process is known as antigenic drift and can diminish the effectiveness of the flu vaccine for that particular season. A universal vaccine for influenza viruses that provides long-lasting immunity against all strains would eliminate the need for yearly administration of seasonal vaccines and significantly enhance our preparedness for pandemics.